Betty the Yeti's back. This time it's not freezing cold and the battery's not run out. And she's back because she needs some new rear discs and pads. These are bloody annoying, these little plastic caps.
Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like a luminati. You can see me like a luminati. But I'm shining so bright.
There's still a fair bit of meat on them, but yeah, they're just rusty as hell. Pad-wise, don't know if you can see down there, but pad-wise, it's not actually too bad. But they're getting changed anyway, because Mandy wants them changed for the MOT. Another MOT. Let's get the caliper off first. Oh goody. You don't get that much clearance at all. Go and have a look. I've got to get that bolt off. That's in the way. Oh well, we'll get a flexi on it, see if that will do it.
Too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. Like you said, I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space.
There we go. Yeah, they're gonna need a good clean. Alright, now we need the caliper off. Carrier. Oh, brake cleaner bath. Time for you at home to help me out. Right, what type of bolt is holding the carrier on?
See why you're kneeling around?
Yeah. Yeah, it is harder on the floor. Right, so... Oh, fucking hell. Have I got one of them? That's a weird Torx bit. Right, so... Thank you, Skoda. You've got a weird bolt on the carriers. It's a weird star thing. Not a Torx. It's one of these. But on the carrier bolt. So I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to get one of them on a Sunday afternoon. Doubtful Halfords will have one, but it may be a trip to Halfords. This is always the way, isn't it? So yeah, in fairness, I should have checked probably Friday or yesterday, but Friday I was doing two MOTs on Friday and some family commitments, so cars were the last thing on my mind. And I was also working on this, doing the final bits for the Twingo, which you've seen. But now I have to go and try and find a spline socket or bolt, an M14 spline. It's either XYN, ZYN, who knows. The only place that's got them potentially, Halfords have a kit, but they don't go up to M14, helpfully. Thank you, Halfords. Who needs them up to M10? So the only other place, and I'm hoping AI is okay, but the only other place is pothole is B&Q in Kerry. I'm not looking forward trying to explain what it is I need to the 16-year-old on the desk who's used to someone going in saying, "Where's your hammers?" I'm going in saying, "Have you got a half-inch spline kit or a spline socket M14?" It's going to be but let's be optimistic. Let's be optimistic that I'm going to go over to Halfords or B&Q and I'm going to be able to get one, get back, get the carrier off. Thank the Lord. Well done, Wilco. That's what I needed, wasn't it? B&Q, no chance. That was stupid. Halfords, baby ones, up to M10. I just hope to God that 14 is the one I need, because if not, they do have a setup there. Pothole. But no offence, Mandy, I ain't spending 40 quid for a spline set of tools because it's only your car that needs them. But at least I've got it for the future. It's a Volkswagen group thing, apparently. Trust Volkswagen to be difficult, eh? Who'd have thought? Under a Skoda Yeti.
Where's your Mac?
It's at home.
I've got a trolley in there on wheels.
Yeah, don't worry, it's alright. Who the hell am I going to get to here, though?
You probably need a bar to bring it out so you can reach it.
Oh, crikey, yeah.
Because you're going to be up against that bottom bolt, that spring at the bottom.
Well, I can go this way, I think. Alright, I can go this way. In there.
Can't use a smaller bar.
Can maybe use an extension. Nope, that ain't gonna work.
Fuck, that's 2:30.
Yeah, no, I need to get my skates on. Stopping for bloody tools don't help.
No.
That's the thing that slows me down. Come on, Betty. Oh, right there. There we go. Oh, shit. Oh, am I going the right way? Yeah, lefty loosey.
The camera's just changed position.
Oh, is it? Oh, fuck. Never mind. I think the battery's running out. I think that's why. There we go. Jesus Christ, that was hard. You have to try and get around this thing. It ain't made that easy. Bloody did it though. We have a disc on. These were the bolts I was wrestling with. It goes in there. And the hardest thing was getting underneath that because you don't have much clearance at all. You can't move it. So yeah, that was the hardest bit, but thankfully I just need to put that side on now, the pads, grease them up properly, do them up, and that's one side done. And now I know how to proceed on the other one. I know those 2 bolts are going to be a bugger, so yeah, I think I'll have a quick break and then get back onto it. Well, we're getting there. Caliper's nearly on. I'll get the pads in a minute. I'm just tightening up all the bolts. This is the first time ever I've had to do brakes from under the car. Oh, come on. Oops. That's tight. Get off there. Yeah, you bugger. I don't know how much of that you got. I forgot my bloody phone holder. Most of you will know this already, but if you are winding back your calipers on the rear, you need to take some of the brake fluid out. I'll get to see what colour brake fluid this is as well. This will be interesting. I do have some brake fluid, so I might be able to flush some of the old shit through. So cap off. Let's see what colour it is in a minute. Just need to get some out. And the best way of getting it out is with one of these from Morrison's or Tesco. It's not too bad. Spray anywhere of drip. It is bloody horrible stuff. I'm going to keep that open. And we want to go and wind back the pistons. Well, it's not seized. It's just hard. I've just bolted it to the top one at the moment just so I can wind it back in. Is that going to be enough? Don't actually think it is. You alright, mate? Hey? Yeah, just trying to wind these pistons back in. Hard work, aren't they? Make sure I'm not pushing the brake fluid out of the car. Sorry? Oh, have you? Bloody hell. Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
I bet you're ready for a sit down, aren't you? Yeah.
The ground that we got built out around this is just full of roots and stuff.
Oh. Oh, God.
Alright.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, that's us ready for the pads and pads. Take these stickers off now.
What?
Where's that? The one that had with the grease on it. It's that one. Oh, I did wind it in. So,
Come back out on its own.
sorry?
Is it automatically come back out on its own?
Yeah, and when you put your foot on the brake.
Alright. You've got to put those other bolts back in that back.
I've done it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
And then the thing's just sliding.
yeah. I have indeed.
Well done, mate.
Thank you. Alright, here we go.
You alright?
Yeah. There we go. That's one side done.
Well done. What's on tweet?
Yeah, I'll come in. Come on, you.
Come on. This way.
Right, I'm onto the second side. That's much easier. That is where I'm trying to get to, but you got all this in the way, so it's quite hard to get a socket in. So I've got a collection of bars, and I'm just trying that to try and get them out, as I did with the other side. I'll have to lift this a bit more though to give me some space. This is quite claustrophobic. I look like I'm stuck between the car. I'm getting there. They were the hardest and most awkward bolts I've ever had to get off in my life. You're so worried about rounding the things. In the end, I had to climb underneath the car from this side and actually use my leg and my foot to put the pressure down on the breaker bar to actually get the thing off. Hello from under a Skoda Yeti. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got under here. So here we are, lots and lots of oil. I'm gonna give this a bit of a clean. Actually, we're gonna give this a bit of a clean first, to be fair. Right, so the oil leak that you saw in the video, which was I was a bit about, I cleaned it all up. So if there are any leaks, we will see. Let's have a look. Right, so I've got oil this side. I've got quite a lot under here. This bit. Oh, shit. Oh. There's quite a bit there. It's just, yeah, it's your sump gasket, Mandy.
Is it?
Yeah. Have you had your sump changed ever?
No, I've never had it done.
No. Oh shit. It's stuck.
Can I pull you out by your feet?
Oh, alright.
Let's pull you out.
What you got down here? Some down there. It's this side. Some last bits down there. Yes, it is. Yeah, it looks like some new sump at the bottom. You'll see when I take it out. When I come out, actually. Oh shit! I should eject the car up a little bit higher. Whoa!
Oh God, you've gone right red.
Oh hey!
You've gone right red face.
We're done.
Ready?
All done. Just test the brakes. Yeah, there we go. I'll just go down to the end of the road,
Yeah.
round, just to make sure it's working. Get over the speed, do gradual. Yeah, look.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Couldn't even hear anything that time.
No, it's like, do you know when you start in the morning and your brakes are rusty?
I thought you meant me.
Yeah,
I make a few noises in the morning.
You're rusty in the morning. No, it's the same principle. Just make sure. Yeah.
Yeah, they feel good.
There you go.
Seatbelt works in the back.
That's
Yeah.
alright.
Second lot of brakes. Peugeot last week, Skoda this week, and I've got brakes to do on mine coming up. What else have I got brakes on? I think actually, yeah, just mine. So, and a couple of few bits